Today we're going to calibrate the SkidWeigh Plus ED3-EP. First thing you're going to want to do with time and date on the screen, you're going to want to press F, then 9, enter 5, 2, 1 to enter into the admin menu. Use the arrows to scroll over to calibration and press enter to select. First thing it's going to do is it's going to ask you to lift the empty forks. Using the lift button, lift it until the lift limit sensor stops the walkie on its own. Lower the forks and drive into your known weight. In this case, the known weight is 2,000 pounds. Enter into the system and press enter. The system will then prompt you to lift the load. Again, press the lift switch until the lift limit sensor stops the unit. At this point, lower the forks. The system is now calibrated. Press F to exit the admin menu. And again, with time and date, you are now ready to weigh your load. The system is well within the plus minus 1% tolerance of the vehicle's capacity.